Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Starting in QuickBooks 2019, you can now easily transfer credits between jobs for a customer. Note that to do this, you must have access to the chart of accounts, as this process creates a clearing account for the credit transfer. In addition, performing this task is an irreversible action. To change or undo this action after performing it, you should consult with your accountant and/or bookkeeper. When performing this action, QuickBooks automatically creates 2 general journal entries for you to transfer the credit from one job to another. Also, the first time this feature is used, QuickBooks creates an Other Current Assets clearing account to transfer the credit. This account is marked as inactive to ensure it is only used for credit transfers in QuickBooks. To transfer credits between jobs for a customer in QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2019 or later, first open the invoice to which you are transferring the existing job credit. Then click the Apply Credits button in the Main tab of the ribbon at the top of the invoice window to open the Apply Credits window. In the Apply Credits window, the credits from the other job appear. Ensure the credit is selected and that the amount to apply shown in the Amount to Apply column is correct. Then click the Done button in the Apply Credits window. Then click the Yes button in the Confirm Transfer window that appears to finish.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.